Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest tech. Today, we're diving into the world of graphics cards with the AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT. Let's see if this GPU lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk specs. The RX 7600 XT is AMD's latest offering in the lower mid-range segment. With an upgraded 16GB GDDR6 VRAM and improved ray tracing performance compared to its predecessor, it's positioned as a solid choice for 1080p and 1440p gaming. But how does it stack up in real-world performance? Well, in our extensive testing, the RX 7600 XT shines in 1080p gaming, delivering smooth frame rates and excellent stability. The additional VRAM certainly helps, especially in demanding titles. However, it's impossible to ignore the shadow cast by its competitor, the NVIDIA RTX 4060. Despite the RX 7600 XT's commendable performance, the RTX 4060 edges it out in both value and overall performance. The price difference between the two makes it a tough call for budget-conscious gamers. Let's break it down further. On the positive side, the RX 7600 XT offers great 1080p and solid 1440p performance, making it a suitable choice for mainstream gaming. The extra VRAM also provides some future-proofing for enthusiasts. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The higher price tag compared to the RTX 4060 and the marginal performance difference may deter some potential buyers. Ultimately, while the RX 7600 XT is a decent GPU, there are better options available in this price range. And there you have it, folks. That wraps up our review of the AMD Radeon RX 7600 XT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more unbiased product reviews. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.